Hello. In the starting lecture, we'll see what is IoT or namely Internet of Things. In this lecture, we'll see what is a thing, why Internet is chosen to connect things, and few smart IoT applications, and we'll also see how huge is an IoT and a simple IoT architecture and a bigger picture of IoT, how it can be used. Now, what is a thing? A thing is such an entity which has a certain intelligence to sense its environment and send it to our internet. Now, where come this intelligence comes from? This intelligence inherently comes from the associating hardware which is present for decision making and the sensors which can sense the environment, which are connected to the controller through an analog to digital converter, and then there is a necessary hardware to get connected to internet, which makes this thing an intelligent. Why should we use the internet to connect these things? Till date, we have been using our laptops and mobile devices to be connected to internet and we are utilizing its services. And why don't we connect the sensors like these to the internet? The biggest advantage of using internet is because a well-established network is already there in place and you don't need to reinvent a complete communication network again. If you see the internet backbone, it's essentially a huge optical fiber networks which are connected between the continents. It's a very popular myth that internet is predominantly wireless. No, it's not. You are able to access your internet with dazzling speeds because of the optical fiber network. Now we'll see few popular IoT applications in the market. First of all, when we say Internet of Things, any application which comes into our mind is a smart bin. A smart bin is such a bin which has a sensor which tries to find out the level of trash can, the amount of trash which is present in that. When the trash can gets filled, it will send the status to the control station. Now, what is the advantage of having this kind of trash cans? Now, there is a control station which is monitoring all the data of trash cans. Now, we know how many trash cans are filled and how many trash cans are not filled. This particular information can be shared to a garbage collector. Now, the garbage collector knows the information which trash cans are filled and which area is been filled with more trash, which area needs further more trash cans, which area is less frequently being filled, all this data. One more utility which is popular is the tank utility, which tells you the level of water tank in your home, which will be very handy to many of the households. When one more application is Sherlock. Sherlock is such a device which, when connected to when connected to your bike or bicycle, can track in real time where is your bike or bicycle going. It will help you in anti-theft, and it comes with chargeable battery and also connectivity to internet through GPRS or 3G or 4G. Now, one more application is a smart sprinkler. When you give type of data like vegetation type and sprinkler type and soil type and sun exposure and also slope amount of your farm, this can schedule your sprinkling times and can also suggest you what kind of sprinkling should be done for this kind of farms, at what frequencies you have to sprinkle them. Few more applications like smart home, variables, smart city, smart grids will also play a major role in case of Internet of Things. And how huge is Internet of Things? It is estimated that around 75.44 billion devices will be connected to the internet by the year 2025. So it is very huge and we are going to see numerous number of devices connecting to internet. And now how will be a simple IoT architecture be? A simple IoT architecture will have a sensor which tries to sense any kind of data like sensor, temperature, pressure, position, weight, speed, etc., which is basically connected to an analog to digital converter, which converts the analog signal to digital and gives it to a microcontroller. Now the microcontroller which is connected to the internet gives the data to the server. Now coming to Internet of Everything, this is the bigger picture I wanted to show you. Now in this case, we have people connected to people already through internet. By Internet of Things, the applications which I have shown you earlier, you have seen machines are connected to people through internet. And there is a possibility that machines are connected to machines, or in this case, the machines connected to machines in the sense the sensors will be connected to data service where the data which has been gathered will be analyzed and visualized for doing applications on a large scale. In short, for example, if your fridge is connected to internet, a farmer can know when to farm which kind of crop. In coming lectures, we will see how we can connect devices to internet and see their status and control them. Thank you.